We're just getting back from the club, and we noticed that there is a disgruntled employee here at the radio station where we work at.
Come on in. Come on
Follow
in.
Rat, come here.
You know, there was a Flutter Fresh open up a, you know,
Come in close.
beautiful
I'm
letter.
Yeah, who
Beautiful
cares?
letter. Beautiful letter.
Great
Let's
letter.
get to it. So let's talk about this direct letter right here. 20-cent increase on the Nature Valley bars. ...
Seriously?
Question mark. I'll finally wise up.
Oh, you do that.
And get the eight pack from Publix. Will you?
Well, you know what? This has inspired me.
And I'll tell you what. There's a Nature
Because-
Valley. There's a Nature Valley right there. It's
Yeah.
up to 85 cents.
Cool.
It's the oats and honey. Anybody up for oats and honey?
That's juicy fruit. Can you tell me when's the last time anyone watching this video you chew a slab of juicy fruit? I'm inspired. I'm writing. / juicy fruit.
Is 65 cents.
Juicy fruit? Question mark.
65 cents.
65 cents? Oh my god. ... OMG! Exclamation. I demand, in all caps,
Looks like all kind.
Bubblicious. For 65 cents, I want Bubblicious. Bubblicious chewing gum. Exclamation, 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 exclamation. Now! Exclamation.
I'm not done.
Oh, no.
Juicy fruit
Juicy fruit. Nature.
is a
Don't wise up to that Nature Valley.
quarter.
And
I
that's
don't know why we're posing,
and that's the way the cookie crumbles.
says Jim Carrey. All right, let's go.